Hi, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and today I'm going to teach you how to work the SKP decrease, which is the slip, knit, pass. To begin, you'll need to slip the first stitch. You can slip it either knitwise or purlwise, but be sure to have the yarn in the back of your work. I prefer to slip it knitwise because I think it looks a little bit neater. So go into the front loop of the first stitch as if to knit and just slip it to your right hand needle. Then go into the next stitch and actually knit it. So into the front loop, yarn over, pull through, slide off. And now you're going to take that slip stitch and pass it over that knit stitch and off the needle. So I like to hold on to that knit stitch with my right index finger, and then I'm going to take my left hand needle and go into that slip stitch from left to right into the front loop. If you need to, you can hold on to that slip stitch with your thumb, and you're going to pull it up and over that knit stitch, okay? It's as simple as that. It should look something like this. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.